So I was about to brush my teeth, but I said let me do a video to show you guys how this works. So if you have veneers and you get your teeth done, you have to have these little toothbrushes. They come about 100 a pack. So you gotta have these little toothbrushes to kind of brush your teeth. So I'm going to show you guys how you brush your teeth when you have veneers. Now these are not just for veneers. They're also for regular teeth. So after every meal, especially if you don't have a mint, you can actually brush your teeth. And it has a mint. So inside it has a little mint ball that bursts. As you're brushing. So not only if you have veneers, but if you want your mouth to feel fresh. So my mouth is minty right now. And it has the toothpick on the end of it, so you can pick your teeth too. So this is part of dental care for your veneers. Do you have to do it every day? Yes. I would hope. I would hope that you brush your teeth every day. Just like I would hope you wash your behind every day. Yeah, you gotta do it every day. Some people do it 3 times a day. I do it like twice a day or once. You know, long as you do it, you brush your teeth in the morning with your regular toothbrush, and then 1 to 2 times a day. They say after every meal. Every meal, or if you're a smoker, you do it after every time you smoke.